Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. Massive news today involving Bitcoin, Ethereum, Terra, Solana, low-cap altcoins. I mean, Disney is really raising the bar with NFTs, with this one specific low-cap altcoin. We need to talk about how interest in cryptocurrency is literally exploding with what's going on at Coinbase. We need to talk about the huge shift that Facebook is making into NFTs and the Metaverse and cryptocurrency in general. Huge musicians, huge coins, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Solana, Terra, Avalanche. So much to talk about, so little time. Of course, the reason why you subscribe to this channel is because on a daily basis, we take you through the entire cryptocurrency market, news, perspective, opinion. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Before we get to some metrics and recent news, let's just quickly take a look at the current state of the market. Bitcoin, whether it be through organic selling or whether it be through sheer whale manipulation, Bitcoin earlier, just the last few hours ago, went from about 61,700 all the way down to 56,500, a flash crash of sorts. Is this manipulation? Is this organic? Let me know in the comments. The takeaway is, this got bought up. This did not last for long, and actually it rallied to above where it was, all the way to 62,400, and right now sits still above where it was. Looking at Ethereum, Ethereum actually wasn't affected in the same way that Bitcoin was. Ethereum wasn't affected at all. Ethereum continued to go up all the way up to 4,000, almost 300. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are consolidating near the all-time highs. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are ready to burst above all-time highs. Very bullish. The bigger picture here, my friends, is that you should not let these shakeouts break your long-term conviction. Over the last 2 weeks alone, Bitcoin whales have actually been adding to their bags. We can see this with on-chain data. By the way, Minnows, like you, like me, have been stacking as well. This is what we like to see. And just talking about the bigger picture for Bitcoin specifically, but cryptocurrency in general, you have to understand, it's only been in the last 1 to 2 years that we've just started to see corporate treasuries allocating some of their funds into Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, Tesla, we've only started to see this, and this is only a small part of the greater pie that is, the buckets of money in the world. There is, in fact, 275 trillion in global financial wealth, real estate not even included. The point is, if you zoom out, if you think about the bigger picture, if you think about how early we are, there is a wall of money headed into Bitcoin, and what we've seen is only just the start. The greatest shortcoming of the human race is our inability to understand exponential function. Take a look at your screen. Bitcoin price in linear versus Bitcoin price in log scale. Humans' little lizard minds can't understand how fast these assets can appreciate, and you can see that on your screen right now. I mean, it's an exciting time to be in crypto, especially with stuff like this. Coinbase returns to #1 in Apple US App Store. Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase's app has once again topped the Apple App Store ranking as the most popular free app in the US. Think about how big this is. Coinbase is #1 in the App Store right now, ahead of TikTok, ahead of YouTube, ahead of Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. You may want to start paying attention because not just but a few years ago, when everything in cryptocurrency looked like this, it was hard to use, people didn't understand it, it was new. This is how it started, and this is how it's going. Hello, Altcoin Daily subscribers, let me know in the comments if you're still with me. Are you seeing this? Are you hearing this? Do you realize how big of a deal all of this stuff is? Facebook's Metaverse will support NFTs. That has been confirmed. Facebook said just this morning that the company's Metaverse will support non-fungible tokens in a possible boost to the Ether protocol, where the digital collectible format has thrived. Quote, "This will make it easier for people to sell limited edition digital objects like NFTs, display them in their digital spaces, and even resell them to the next person securely." This is from their head of Metaverse. And of course, this goes along with Facebook rebranding, one of the biggest brands in the world, rebranding to Meta. Really, really cool to see. Huge musicians getting involved almost on a daily basis now. Timbaland, responsible for so many hip-hop hits over the last 20 years. Timbaland dropping Ethereum music NFTs that you can remix. Talk about functionality. The famed musician and producer is breaking his upcoming songs into NFT chunks that can be mixed and matched. So hugely bullish for Bitcoin, hugely bullish for Ethereum, hugely bullish for cryptocurrency. Let's talk altcoins. Let's talk about Solana. If you're bullish on Solana, let me ask you something. What's your Solana price prediction? Think about this. The number of Ethereum wallets is 129 million right now. The number of Solana wallets is 5.5 million. If price ratio is to match wallet ratio in log, ETH at 4,000 should imply Solana at almost 1,000. Solana is currently at $190. And of course, many people say that Solana is following what ETH did in the 2017 bull run. Either way, is anybody else getting pre-euphoria? This is an amazing time to be in cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about perhaps the elephant in the room. Shiba Inu fans, Dogecoin fans. What do you think? Dogecoin jumped 30% as Shiba Inu actually lost value. Some people taking profits, I guess, with Dogecoin reclaiming its meme coin throne. The world's most popular meme coin, Doge, is back after briefly losing its spot yesterday to Ether-based token Shiba Inu. Again, let me know what you think about this, Shiba Inu holders. I know you're a loud bunch as of late. Some people actually were commenting saying that they're nervous about all these meme coins popping off. Let me tell you what I think. A lot of people saying that doggo coins pumping is bad for the market. They don't realize that in 2018 and earlier, Doge pumps were actually alt-season alarms. The fact is that meme and normie coins gaining interest usually aren't tops, but rather early signs of mania, in my opinion. Enjoy the next few months. Most people just don't realize how big this could all get. And more than that, Shiba Inu pumping, going up and down is actually really good for, the Ethereum ecosystem. Have you realized that Shiba Inu in the last 30 days is now one of the top coins in the burn leaderboard, causing ETH to get burnt, causing ETH to be more scarce. And even in the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu's top 4. Really amazing. Let's talk about Disney and Disney's foray into cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and the altcoin market. Disney and Vivi announce NFTs for Disney IP. So maybe you heard about this long ago. Well, they're doubling down almost on this. They're increasing their exposure to this. Vivi has secured some massive IP partnerships in its early inception. This week, you can add Disney to that growing list. So what started as just a Marvel collaboration between Vivi and Disney is quickly expanding into more digital collectible rights for the platform. Expected IP has been highlighted to include the likes of Disney properties such as Star Wars, Pixar, Toy Story, Cars, etc., and more. This was recently made public. This is huge for Omi. Omi is my homie, right? And Vivi is the platform that goes along with it. Vivi is expected to begin unrolling these NFTs leading up to November 12th. If you purchase these NFTs, select people can get 3-month subscriptions to Disney Plus, and if you get the ultra rare ones, you can get a subscription for 12 months. And the coin Omi is still very much in the game. Obviously, Disney getting involved like this is obviously huge, right? Final piece of altcoin news. Pretty cool. XDEFI Wallet, which is a competitor to MetaMask, integrates Terra and launches liquidity program. The platform reported 35,000 users to its Chrome extension wallet in the first few weeks following its launch. XDEFI, a browser-based service for decentralized finance and non-fungible token assets, has officially integrated the Layer 1 blockchain protocol Terra on its platform following a number of weeks of testing and development. With the addition of Terra, the platform now supports 9 blockchain networks, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, also expressed interest in incorporating Solana, Avalanche, and Arbitrum. In the future, earlier this month, XDEFI launched their public cross-wallet extension onto Google Chrome's web store with the stated intention of enabling easy accessibility for the browser's users. Late September, XDEFI raised $6 million from a recognized number of venture capital crypto firms, including Mechanism Capital, Alameda Research, and CoinGecko, as well as a series of private and individual investors. We're actually going to be interviewing the CEO of XDEFI in the coming weeks. It's supposed to be the MetaMask killer. Look forward to that. And with that being said, my friends, let me know what you think about all of this in the comments. Smash the likes if you haven't already, and turning into a great year, right? See you tomorrow.